Hello everybody, how are you all? Today I'm going to make a very cute witch costume and you can easily make it at home, and I'm going to show you the whole process in the video how I made it. And the things you will need, it's black chart paper, white chart paper, and black dyed cardboard, hot glue. Okay, here is the skirt I'm using. I had this available at home, so now I will show you this chart paper. I will take and I will draw a big D shape on it, and I will make a paper cone to make a hat. So this is what I'm taking to make a paper cone to make a witch hat. So let's draw a D and cut it, and now I will make a cone and I will make a twist in it, and now I will apply glue. You can use hot glue. It's very easy to make German just glue, apply glue and paper glue for it. Okay, the sides of the cone is not equal. You can cut it and so that it can stand properly. Now you will take another piece of black chart paper and draw a circle on it. Okay, now you will put the cone on the circle and you will make another circle, and later on you will cut it and you will fix the cone inside the circle like this. Now you need to make small cuts on the side of the cone, and later on you will apply glue and paste it with the circle. After fixing the cone, you will take a white cardboard or white chart paper to decorate your cap. Make eyes, scary eyes and scary white teeth and decorate your cap. Paste eyes and teeth on the cap and it will give a very nice scary look. Okay, so now let's make a broom, and I wanted to make with some sticks, but I thought like with cardboard it's easy to make, and I'll show you how to make. You have to cut strips on the cardboard like this and make longer strips like this. You can make more longer if you want, and you can attach it with the hot glue. You will twist it along the stick and your broom is ready. You can color it, but I wanted to give it a natural skin color look, brown look. So here your broom is ready, and you will fix it like this so that it can give a volume to the stick, volume to the broom. Okay, so now I'm taking a black shirt and black dyed to decorate the shirt. You will need a white Foamic sheet and you will draw the same eyes and same scary teeth on it, and you can use any sheet, but I'm using Foamic sheet and it's very easy to attach it on the clothes. And you can see I have cut it and I will paste it with the help of hot glue, and your shirt is ready. Here is the quick idea for you guys how to make a little cute witch costume for the kids. And thank you so much for watching my costumes. Bye bye.